Hi, I'm Katie from LA Photo Party, and this pro tip will be focusing on lenses because it's something you might want to brush up on. And no, I'm not talking about you, Chad. We know you've been taking pictures since you were 5. I'm talking about the rest of us, who have basically gotten about as far as the difference between a camera lens and a contact lens. So here's a little refresher. Lenses are measured in focal length. You'll hear it expressed in millimeters. Some lenses will have a range, giving you the option to zoom in and out. Some are a fixed number. For example, 18 millimeters is about as wide as the eye can see. 10 millimeters is great for wider shots. It's a little wider than the human eye can see, except for maybe Chad. Yeah, we know Chad, you have great vision. And a fisheye lens, well, it'll give you that ultra-wide spherical view. You can play around with each one to give a different look to your photo booth experience. And make sure to adjust your booth to get the perfect distance for your shot. It's as simple as that. Now you're ready to wonder the world with only a camera on your back. Or to take the perfect drunk selfie with you and your best friends. No, Chad, we don't need you to take our picture. It's called a selfie. Cheers to a great event.